lot of the videos that I watched online, they actually installed the handrail first and then installed the balusters afterwards. However, we have some very special hardware, so I think we're actually gonna do it a different way.
This is the hardware that we ordered. So normally you would have a foot that you would attach to the tread and then your baluster would slide and connect into that. But I ordered this special concealed hardware so that we wouldn't have to have foots at the bottom of our balusters, just because I liked the look better. They give you this little double-sided screw and you screw part of it into the tread, the bottom part, and then this piece will slide into your balusters. I'm not gonna do it all the way because we still have to cut these down. But then once that's in the balusters, it will screw into this hardware. So you have a nice clean detail at the bottom.
Since our hardware situation is different than most, I think it's actually best to install the balusters first and then put the handrail on top, because I don't really know how we would get it like up into the baluster hole and then also screw it down. I just think the spacing isn't gonna work out with that. I started by measuring all of the balusters so that we could cut them down to the correct height. This is pretty typical for most iron balusters. They come at a standard length and then you cut them down to the size that you want for your specific project. I decided to mark my measurements on all 4 sides to reduce the chance of error. These are the tools you'll need. I clamped my balusters in place and then used my angle grinder with the metal blade to cut the balusters down to size. Once we got into a rhythm, it went pretty quickly. Then I carefully removed the tape and used a metal file to file down any rough edges. Now we're gonna install the hardware into our cutoff balusters. The little insert that goes inside the dowel. Oh, it's a little tricky. Then we're gonna hammer it in. The rubber mallet. See how that's in there? Double-sided screw. I actually don't know the technical name for that. What does it say? Dowel screw. It's called a dowel screw, double-ended screw. To help me out, it said that you should put the screw in the floor first, but like that just doesn't really make sense. Oh fuck. Oh no. That like went in there. Ooh, what do I do? What do I do? Pause. Haha, I saved it. These are vice grips. They're basically just clamps that lock in place so that it holds it for you. I've actually never used these before. Figuring it out together. Balls. Okay, locked in place. What in the damn hell? Maybe I can get another set of pliers. Hold on one more second. All right, I found a solution. Got this clamp, got my vice grips. Get it on there. I hope this works. Oop. I don't know if I'll be able to get it in this thing though now. It worked. That's like in there now. Feel good about that. It kind of like expanded the hardware, so it's fitting a little better. Now we got our baluster with our hardware at the end. We can screw it in. 1 down, 35 to go.
We did it!
The next step is gonna be trying to figure out how to install these. There we go. Start with this one. Let's make sure we're plumb pretty good. It became increasingly more difficult to screw in the balusters by hand, so I started using my vice grips, and that saved me a lot of work. Yay, no more baby gate railing. Then I moved on to the stairs, which didn't exactly go according to plan. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for part 18 and follow along for more home DIY.